Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Aman Singh and I run Odontos Eduversity. Odontos Eduversity has been a pioneer since 2011 in bringing world-class clinical courses to you in your neighborhood. This time around, I feel privileged to let you all know that we are bringing advanced course in oral implantology, and none other than Dr. Sachdeva sir, who needs no introduction, is mentoring it. If you are thinking to start implantology in your clinical practice, or if you are already practicing implantology and want to enhance your skills and knowledge, then this course is for you. In this course, you will get 2 hands-on patient and a chance to meet and learn from none other than Dr. Sachdeva sir. In this course, you will get 2 hands-on implant. Along with that, if you register, you will also get LignoJet prick-free painless injection system, which will enhance patient comfort in your clinic. LignoJet is otherwise priced at 18,000 rupees. So what are you waiting for? Register for the course now and avail discounted fees along with the advantage of LignoJet in your practice. For details, you can click the link above and register yourself today. Thank you very much.